Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace the shifter knob on automatic transmission BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. This one will cover the E90, E91, E92, E93 with automatic transmission. Manual transmission will be different. So there is a few tricks about that, and we will explain why, how, and what you should do when you remove and replace that. Just a quick reminder guys, we have more than 200 videos taking the whole BMW apart, anything from interior to mechanical work. So please subscribe, give a thumb up, and many more videos to come on the channel. All the tools and parts that we use in the videos will be listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. In order to remove the shifter knob guys, okay, we'll have to go ahead and put the car in drive with the engine not running, and we'll show you why. This thing, you don't just pull it out, okay? I mean, you don't unscrew it or anything like that. So what you have to do, okay, let me show you. If on some Mercedes and other BMWs, okay, you might have a screw here or anything like that, like a screw type. Okay, let me turn the light on. Cap on the bottom here, but this one doesn't have anything. So what we are going to do, okay, you don't even need to remove this piece. Okay, I'll just push it in, install it, and you have to have the emergency brake on all the way up. Put the key in, turn the ignition on, okay, without starting the car, press the brake, put it in drive. Now you can turn the ignition off for a little bit. Grab it with both hands, really firm, press the button and pull straight up. Okay, and the knob guys, you can see, came out of the way now, just like that. So all you have to do when you're done guys, okay, you have to have the car in drive again, otherwise you cannot install it. Push down, okay, until it gets in the canal. You need to make sure that it's pointing straight forward, and after that, push it down with your hand, make sure the button is working. Now you can shift the car like that, okay, and grab it with your hands and just try to make sure that it's not loose, okay, and this one will be the whole video. And as you can see, we took the whole console apart already, not just the shifter knob, and I just wanted to share that in the video guys, because we'll be painting that center console. This is a really weak spot on those BMWs. Okay, the console there tends to peel really bad with time, so we'll be using original BMW paint, matching cover paint, and it will look amazing. Just as an example, that handle here, door handle, and the window switch was all peeling. It was really nasty, looking really bad, and we already redid it, and you can see how nice it is and how perfectly it matches the paint. So make sure guys, you give a like, subscribe, and many more videos will come on that car.